Skirts which were tied at the waist. Both men and women they used to wear ornament. Now let us see what were the ornaments which were worn by women. Women they wore necklaces, bracelets, bangles, and earrings. And men they wore amulets. What are amulet? It was a piece of jewelry which was believed to protect them from bad luck. Okay. The rich people they wore the ornaments which were made up of gold and silver, and the poor people they also wore the jewelry which was made up of bone, copper, and shell. Topic is art and craft. Now let us see the archaeologists they have discovered many things which show about their efficiency in art and craft. So let us see which are the things which have been discovered by the archaeologists. First of all, they have discovered a bronze figure of a dancing girl at Mohenjo-daro. Then they have also discovered a statue of a bearded nobleman or a priest who is wearing a shawl. Other than this, even the figures of animals, birds, and men, and pottery which has been painted in a very fine way, they show the artistic skill of the people. The archaeologists they have also discovered pots which are highly glazed and painted. Other than this, they have also found the images, the utensils, the various tools and weapons such as the axes, saws and knives and spears. Okay, what is a spear? It is a throwing weapon which is having a long shaft and a sharp head. Then spinning, bricklaying, boat making and seal making and terracotta manufactures were also among the important crafts. Now, one of the most famous things which have been discovered, they are the seals of the Harappan civilization. We have discovered around 200 seals. They have been found at this site, and most of the seals they are having the pictures of one horn bull, buffalo, tiger, like many animals like elephant, goat, etc. Now, what were the seals used for? The seals, they were mainly used by the merchants to make a mark on their goods. So, most of the seals, they were having the animal figures and the picture signs on them. All these things, they also give us many information about the religion of the people living in the Indus Valley civilization. Most of the seals either they are square or rectangular in shape, and they have been made of tablets of clay. Now the things which are written on the seal or the script, which is a particular system of writing, is known as a script. This script, which has been seen on the seals of the Indus Valley civilization, till now we have not been able to understand it, or we have not been able to know about it, what is written on them.